My name is Marie. I live in Houston, Texas. When I cook with my kids, it's very fulfilling, and I can see the excitement coming from him. The WIC at Home Self-Paced class gives me an opportunity to learn a little bit more about how to help my kids eat better, taking him to the grocery store with me, having him check out the colors and tell me what color that is. And the fact that he made his own food helps him feel like he accomplished this, and this is his own dish.
My name is Chandria Warren, and I live in the Houston area, mainly around Fresno. I think that me being able to work with them with the cooking and showing them how things takes time, it teaches them patience. It teaches them how to do it themselves in a sense. My oldest, he's 6, and just yesterday he was like, "Hey, mommy, can you teach me how to cook this?" I say, "Definitely. I'm all for you learning how to cook and be self-sufficient."
My name is Sonia Huerta, and I live in Houston, Texas. As a mom, I feel happy and I enjoy seeing my son enjoy cooking. I feel like this class helped me involve more my family, my children, and my husband to cook and also enjoy meals together, and has brought us together as a family.